Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your design files for the various treatment options we offer. We'll be using Adobe Illustrator since we require vector files for production. So if you're not familiar with Illustrator, there is an option to add graphic design help to your order and have us take care of it, or you can work with your own graphic designer and produce the proper file. All right, let's get started. Once you've downloaded the template for the product you'd like to customize, go ahead and open it up. I'm going to be customizing an 11 by 17 landscape portfolio book. You'll notice guidelines on the template outlining how to show the various treatments, so this is what we're going to go through in this video. This rectangle represents the actual size of your portfolio. You can customize the area within it however you like. So this is basically the safe area. Okay, we're ready to add our design. Let's open up the artwork file and copy and paste it into our template. You can position your logo or artwork anywhere you like within the rectangle. I'm going to have mine center aligned. A black fill represents an engraving. So I'm going to select my artwork and change it to the color black because I'd like my entire artwork to be engraved. Now, if I wanted just the outline of my artwork engraved, I'd show that by only outlining it in black. Whatever is shown in black will be engraved, and whatever is left white will not be engraved. That's it, we're done. Save your design file and upload it to your account to receive your proof. Next up, an engraved color fill treatment. So next up is our engraved color fill treatment. If you'd like your design to be engraved and then treated with a specific color, simply outline your artwork in black and fill it with the desired color. I'm going to go with a pink color fill so I can find the pink that I like and choose it for the fill of my design. The black outline will be removed by our production team and will not be present in your final piece. So one thing to keep in mind is that we're not able to color fill areas right next to each other since the colors will bleed into one another during production. If you have artwork with colors that overlap or are touching, we recommend our UV print treatment instead. And that's it. You're ready to go with your engraved color fill treatment. Next up, our UV print treatment. Our UV print treatment allows you to print your design in full color onto any of our materials. It's perfect for designs that have multiple colors, gradients, or a photorealistic feel to them. So you can show a UV print by outlining your artwork in blue and filling it with the desired color or gradient. If you're using a JPEG or a PNG, you'll want to ensure that it's 300 dpi or print quality for the best results. In the case that you are using a JPEG or a PNG, you don't need to worry about outlining it in blue. As long as you've chosen the UV print treatment for your order, we can put the proof together for you. And that's it. You're ready to go with a UV print treatment. Next up is our cutout treatment. Use a red outline for the areas of your design you'd like cut out. For example, if I wanted these circles to be cut out, I can outline them in red. One thing to keep in mind is that the center of closed shapes and letters will fall away once cut, so you'll want to watch for this. In this example, the inside of the circle will also fall away, so this area in red represents what your design will look like once cut. If I want to cut out this text, the center of closed shaped letters will also fall away since there won't be any surrounding material to hold them up. This goes for closed shaped letters such as A, B, D, O, P, Q, and R. One solution is to create breaks in your design so that they're not closed shapes, or engrave it instead. All right, your design is ready to go with a cutout treatment. Next, I'm going to show you how to set up for a burnishing and engraving treatment on our brushed aluminum materials. Our burnishing treatment applies to our brushed aluminum materials only and is a light silver surface etching. You can show in black the areas you'd like burnished, similar to our engraving treatment. The brushed aluminum material works best with large engravings and burnishing designs that have less detail since we use a CNC machine to customize this material. In the case of this design, it would need to be made 50% bigger in order for us to get a nice clean engraving or burnishing effect. We can also engrave the brushed aluminum material, which reveals the black core of the material in the areas we've engraved. You can also show this in black. In the case that you have both an engraving and a burnishing treatment, simply leave a note on your design file to let us know which areas you'd like burnished and which areas you'd like engraved. All right, the final piece to the puzzle is our engraved pattern fill treatment. So let's take a look. The engraved pattern fill treatment works in the same way as the engraved color fill treatment, except that it allows you to add a specific pattern, gradient, or image to the engraved area. So let's say I want this circle to include this gradient design once it's been engraved. I can show this by creating a clipping mask with the circle and gradient design and then outlining it in black. If your pattern is not a vector and instead a JPEG or PNG, you'll want to make sure that it's a 300 dpi or print resolution file for the best results. You can include multiple treatments in your design, such as an engraved color fill with a cutout or an engraving with a UV print, by using the guidelines provided. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to shoot us an email, give us a call, or leave a comment.